Hello, sir, and welcome to Film Fam Middle East. First of all, congratulations on the launch of Glen Walk.
Thank you.
One quick thing, sir. Every time someone releases something or associates with a brand, उसमें कहीं ना कहीं you can see a part of their personality. What is the similarity between your brand and you?
Well, I think it's classy. It's fun. It's for the masses, and I think that's I feel it's similar to me. Yeah.
Right.
मैं actor हूँ. I'm for the masses. There has to be some kind of class and dignity, respect.
Absolutely. But so many things that are associated with you, so many tags as a businessman, also as an actor, producer. What is the one that you think you excel in the most?
Actually, my forte is the film industry and acting and production, and I'm a creative guy. So creativity is my forte.
Okay. And sir, अगर आपको एक मौका दिया जाए where you can just chill in the evening with, for fine dining, which is that one person, who is that one person that you'd really want to, have some time back, maybe from history, from
No,
elsewhere?
I think my wife is the right person. I love having dinner with her outside. We sit, we talk, and she likes great food herself, and she's a great cook herself. So it's great fun to be with her.
So you have evolved so much over the years from the time that you started as an actor, also as a businessman today. What is the one biggest thing that has changed about you?
Nothing has changed about me. It's just that I've become more mature, and as a person gets older, I think a person matures more and gets more understanding, and it's different than what it was 20 years back.
But you have always kept yourself so relevant with time. Even today's generation, like my son, relates to you as much as younger generation, my parents' generation.
हाँ
What is the secret?
I don't know. I think it's the fitness and maybe the way you are, the way I don't know क्या है, लेकिन I don't purposely do it. I think this is the way I am.
And what is the one tag that has helped you, like which is the closest to you?
What?
You're called Baba, you're called the sexiest man. So many tags you got.
अब sexy वाला तो खत्म हो गया है. I think I'm past that age now. But what do you mean? What is the?
What is the one tag that has really held on to you?
That they say कि भावा है, दिल का है, and अच्छा इंसान है. That's the main thing which really matters to me. Is to be a good human being in life.
Right. And so many movies, but what is the one sequel that you are looking forward to now?
Definitely Munna Bhai. Definitely Munna Bhai. And many others. But yes, Munna Bhai is number one. Khalnaik again.
Mm-hmm.
And there are a couple of them. Like KGF is there. Many which we can remake again.
Right.
Make sequels. Sorry.
Right. So you have taken the South also by storm with your pan-India movies. So any more movies over there
Yes,
lined up?
there's one film called KD which will come. I Smart Shankar with it's another great film with Puri Jagannath sir and everybody.
Amazing. Also, so one quick question. Now that you are in Dubai, what are your favorite places to visit in and around Dubai?
I just love Dubai. I go to all over the place. I go everywhere. Go to all the restaurants. It's amazing.